skills na makakapagpabago ng buhay mo. Or sabihin na natin makakapagpayaman sa'yo. Para it's time na makikita mo yung mga outside. Positive day delivers, this is Dr. shall be added unto you. Ang ipin mo yung mga pain na. So second is to be wise para maging righteous. Start your journey on how to become rich. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so positive day, delivers. This is Dr. DG Disunga from My Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo panood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo po yan, Dr. DG Disunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-code sa atin, online muna tayo and business consultation. And if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. DG Disunga. Alright, so 4 skills na makakapagpabago ng buhay mo. Or sabihin na natin makakapagpayaman sa'yo. Alright? So, that you need to master. You need to, put some effort, time, discovery to do these 4 skills. Mababagong buhay mo. Alright? So, alam nyo, ito yung mga skills na natutunan ko at inaaral ko pa rin. Sabi nga natin, every day we're learning, we are improving on managing ourselves, managing the opportunity that we have, right? So, let us start, okay? So, simulan na natin. Habang tayo ay Milo na lang. Swiss ba to? Bawal muna yung kape, okay? So, excited na ako mamaya sa live. Sana everyday nakapanood po kayo sa aking FB page live. 11 AM po yan. So, I'm giving special announcement there po. Okay? So, number 1, master at least 1 high-paying skill. Okay? Master 1 high-paying skill. Right? So, di ba sabi nga ni Dan Locke, narinig nyo na sa akin, there is a triangle of wealth. The first is your high-paying skill. Alright? So, Doc, paano ba? Ano bang mangyayari pag meron tayong high-paying skill? Okay, pero bago yan, paano ba natin nadi-develop or nalalaman na may high-paying skill tayo? Alam niyo, sa paglalakbay natin sa buhay natin, every day we're doing things, we're using our skills. So, hindi natin alam kung meron pala hindi natin alam, meron pala tayo high-paying skill that can make us rich. Alright, so, na yun ang makapagpayaman sa atin. Okay, so, una-una. Okay, so, anong gagawin natin, Doc, para malaman natin yung high-paying skill? Alam niyo, nung ako personal, nung na-discover ko yung high-paying skill ko doon na bagong buhay ko, kala ko ordinary skill lang meron ako eh. Ngayon pala, meron akong high-paying skill. Okay? So, Doc, ano ba yung mga high-paying skill mo? Okay. So, sige, bigyan ko kayo na example like business consulting. So, I'm a business consultant. So, yung mga different businesses po nagpapakonsult sa akin. So, may hawak tayong companies na meron tayong regular visit nung hindi pa nagla-lockdown. Ngayon, phone call na lang. So, nagko-consult sa akin in terms of people management, business operations, how to improve their sales, their marketing, something like that. Okay? And also, being a coach, being a life coach is one of my high-paying skills. Right? So, ayan din, meron din tayong online coaching and meron tayong mga estudyante na naka-enroll sa atin for 1 month. Ako coach nila. So, I'm guiding them on their, basically, decisions na ginagawa nila sa buhay nila and what should be their priority, something like that. It's a life coach, right? And content writing is also one of my high-paying skills. And being a speaker is one of the high-paying skills na napakaganda rin na binigay sa akin ni Lord na skill. Okay, so right now I'm conducting webinar to different companies. Like this Monday, meron tayo sa Aquinas Scholar Academy. It's motivation and virtual learning. And recently, I did one sa welfare and self-reliance services. And saan pa? Ground Audio Philippines. Okay? Alright, so Doc, paano ba ako magkakaroon niya mga high-paying skill? Okay? So, number 1, you need to identify your skills. So, maglista ka. Lista mo yung mga skills mo, like 5 things that you can do. Can you write? Can you dance? Can you sing? Can you talk? Can you teach? So, something like that. So, 5, alright? Then, sa 5 na yan, spot one thing that you think can be a high-paying. Okay? For example, marunong kang magsulat. Okay? Magaling kang mag-caption. So that's a high-paying skill. Copywriting. Yung paglalagay ng mga how to write a letter, how to write a marketing tagline, how to write letters to the clients, and how to caption a photo, how to caption a video, so something like that. It's copywriting. So that's a high-paying skill. Or maybe just like me, you can teach. Kaya mo magturo, so you can become a coach, you can be a speaker. Alright? So spot mo lang. So Doc, paano ko ba malalaman ito? This is the nice question. Paano ko malalaman na high-paying yung aking skill? Okay? When you bring more value to other people, that's high-paying. Pag malaki yung impact na magagawa mo sa buhay ng isang tao, that's high-paying. Malaki yung kaya mong improve sa isang business, that's high-paying. For example, imagine kung mag-increase ang sales nila. Like, meron akong client na ngayon, dati meron silang 5 million sales, so ngayon, nag-decrease na konti. So, ang challenge ng team ko sa kanila is to increase that. Okay? So, imagine kung babalik sila sa 5M. So, that's high-paying skill. I'm adding value. My team will add value to that, to their business. So, anything na makapagpabago sa buhay nila, anything na mag-improve ang buhay nila, that's high-paying skill. Okay? And you can solve one of their biggest problems in business. Okay? So, yun nga, yung pagiging consultant. So, mostly, yung mga tumatawag sa akin, Doc, paano ko ba i-manage tong tao na to? Ano bang gagawin natin? Or how to motivate my people? How to train my people? So, pag na-solve yun, malaking kaluwagan sa kanila yun. So, that makes your skill high-paying. Okay? So, spot one of your skill na pwedeng makatulong sa ibang tao. Alright? For example, kaya nga di ba mahal yung mga fitness instructor natin? Fitness instructor, kasi papayat sila eh. Gustong pumayat ng tao, ang laking value nung mapapayat mo yung tao, di ba? Alright? So, that's high-paying skill. Okay? Eh, di ba nga, yung mga nagpunta tayo sa mga, doctors, di ba? Pag meron tayong pain, kahit mahal, sige mo, masolve mo lang yung problema ko, mawala lang itong bagay ito sa akin. Okay? So, then, after identifying that, you need to improve that skill and master it. Yun na. So, pag na-identify mo na Doc, I'm good pala in writing. So, master mo na. Learn, improve it, i-apply mo yung rule of 1 hour. So, the rule of 1 hour is every day you allot 1 hour to improve that skill. So, you read a lot on how to speak, watch different speakers, punta ka sa TED, punta ka sa, yung mga nag-speak, ang dami naman sa YouTube, sabi nga natin, ngayon, wala ka ng problema. If you want to learn something, one thing in your life, nandiyan na lahat sa internet. Okay? Right? So, then after improving it, it's your opportunity to become wealthy. Bibigyan ka niya ng opportunity to become wealthy. So, imagine if you will learn how to become a speaker, a copywriter, a social media manager. How much are you going to make for a month? Like, my social media manager, personally, nagbabayad ako sa kanya, then meron siyang 3 clients. Let's say, tig to 20,000 na lang on average. Okay, so ilan yun? That's 80,000 pesos. For only 4. Minsan, kaya niya daw 10 clients. So, 10 for 20 na lang pero very minimal yung 20K So, 200,000 pesos a month. Okay? It's a big opportunity. Kung employed ka, how much? 20K, 30K lang ang sasahurin mo. Diba? Nasa bahay ka lang. Nasa bahay ka lang doing these things. Alright? So, your high-paying skill will give you an opportunity to become wealthy. Right? So, ano ba yung mga, ngayon? Ito, yung mga high-paying skills ngayon, like copywriting, content writer, social media manager, anything na makakatulong ka sa business, that's high-paying skill ngayon, okay? So, like, ngayon, video editor, yan, mahal na mo, bayad dyan, graphic artist, yan, medyo costly na yan, alright? So, my challenge to you is, what is your high-paying skill? Tingin mo ano yun. Go, identify it, and master it, alright? Next is, kaya nga, ito pala, kaya announce ko na, kaya meron tayong GDS skills class. So, if you want to learn all the skills na binanggit ko, sa page ko lang, dun ka if you want to become a coach, vlogger, copywriter, speaker, social media manager, writer, So, meron ako may magtuturo. So, message ka lang sa page ko, alright? Number 2 that you need to master that can change your life is master financial skill. Financial skill, right? So, first skill is earning your 100% money. Okay? Or income. Alam nyo, ito nabanggit ko na sa mga vlogs ko. Minsan, what you are earning right now is not your 100%. Minsan, 20% lang pala yan ang dapat mong maging income. Alright? Kasi, you are not maximizing your skill. Yun nga, yung number 1 natin. Hindi mo pa na-identify what is your high-paying skill. So, baka mamaya, kagaya nun, yung social media manager na binanggit ko, dati siyang employee. Empleyado lang siya. So, magkano sweldo ng empleyado? Hindi lang, sorry for that lang. Yung empleyado siya. Empleyado siya, let's say, she's earning 30K. So, that's not the 100% pala na pwede niya kitain. Pwede niya kitain na 100, 200K pala. So, minsan, nasa-satisfied na tayo sa income natin like 20,000, 30,000. But do you know that that's not your 100%? So, you need to learn that skill. How to maximize, how to optimize your earning capacity. Alright? So, ang tawag dito? So, you need to do something. Number 1 is, look for that high-paying skill. Second, find an opportunity in your work. What else you can do in your work? In your workplace. Baka pwede ka pang mag-market, pwede ka pang magpunta ka sa sales department, baka pwede ka pang maging manager. Para yung sinusweldo mo ngayon, madagdagan, magkaroon ng salary, magkaroon ng incentive, what else you can do to your company. Try to see that. Tingnan mo, baka pwede pa rin ako doon sa department na to instead of here na naka-fix ang sweldo. Alright? So, find opportunity in your workplace. Right? So, what else? Find opportunity in social media. Ano ba pwede mong gawin? Baka pwede ka pang mag-set up ng YouTube channel mo to earn passive income, to have other opportunities. Baka you can earn online or you can sell online. Online selling. Alright? So, para makuha mo yung 100% na earning mo. Or, you can create your own opportunity. Ako, I think, I just created my own opportunity. Kasi pag titignan mo, pag nasa academe ka kasi, pag nasa school ka, pag nasa top ka na, I'm already the principal and the dean of academic affairs. So, top na yon, unless, siyempre, the president na yon, the vice president, the owner of the school na yon. So, kumbaga, pag tininan mo, wala na pala akong opportunity. Pero, nag-create ako, lumingon ako, tumingin ako dun outside. Ano pa yung pwede kong gawin outside this? So, tumingin tayo paminsan-minsan outside your room, outside your work, outside your house, outside your subdivision, outside your community. Diba? Tingnan natin, ano pa, what else? Ano pa meron sa labas? Ano pa yung pwede kong i-contribute? Right? So, you need to master how to earn your skill. Earning skill and letter B po nun is also mastering the management, money management skill. Kadugsong nun. Hindi pwedeng basta you just earn and then you don't manage what you have, what money you have right now. So, you need to manage that. Alam, sabi nga ni Jim Ron, naalala ko. By the way, salamat sa inyo lahat, nanonood ng mga vlogs nito. For staying with me for more than 3 years, alright? So, sabi nga po ni Jim Ron, ba't ko biglang nasabi? Kasi, alam nyo, ngayon kasi naalala ko ngayon, pero lagi ko naisip yan, sabi ko, pag mag-vlog ako, una ko pa yung pasasalamatan. Kasi maraming salamat talaga. 182,000 na tayo ngayon, okay? So, yan, okay. Sabi ni Jim Ron, pag daw pinagsama-sama mo lahat ng mga pera, halimbawa, 7.6 billion tayo, pag sumasama yung lahat ng pera, then lahat ng yan, hati-hatiin equally, divided by sa atin. So, let's say makakuha tayo ng tigo 1 million, okay? Alam nyo, after some time, babalik din daw doon sa original na may-ari. Doon, kung kanino galing pinakamaraming pera, darating ang araw, babalik din sa kanya yon. Why? Kasi alam nung tao na yun, kahit mawalan siya ng pera, babalik sa kanya. Kasi alam niya yung money management skill. Kaya tayo, kahit bigyan tayo ng pera, pag hindi ka marunong mag-manage sa pera mo, mawawala din yan because you can't manage your money. So, you need to learn that skill. Hindi basta nagtatrabaho ka lang, hindi basta nagninegosyo ka. You also have to learn how to manage your money. Alright? So, paano namin ma-manage? Nagbigay na ako ng maraming guidelines. So, try to check my YouTube channel. Like, yung mga videos natin. Like, naglagay ako ng rule of 40-40-20. 40% para sa multiply it, investment or other business. 40% pang dagdag sa capital. 20% is for your happiness. Yun, para sa iyo, reward mo for yourself, okay? Alright, so, number 3 skill na dapat mong ma-master, matutunan is problem-solving skill. So, you need to solve problems, okay? So, simulan natin sa personal problem. What are your personal problems na kailangan mo i-solve, right? So, let's identify. For example, ano ba yung mga everyday na na-encounter mong problema na these problems bother you every day. So, you need to solve them. Kailangan matutunan natin yung skill na yon. Sa sarili muna tayo magsimula. For example, nagsulat ako dito, your housemates. Housemates talaga eh. Paano mo ma-solve? Everyday meron kayong conflict, problem sa bahay. Pag-usapan nyo, solve the problem, okay? So, that's your first, business, okay? So, that's your first ministry. That's your first mission in life. Ayusin ang problema sa bahay, di ba? Problema sa wardrobe, problema sa ayusan, your ZR, problema sa service mo, ng kotse mo, ng sasakyan mo. Solve your personal problems. Kailangan na-solve natin yan eh. So, kulang ka ng ganito, anong gagawin mo? Do you need to buy? Do you need to repair? Right? So, it's a skill. Kailangan, parang ganito dito sa lugar namin. May mga problems ako dito na kailangan ko pang ma-solve. Kaya unti-unti, nagpapadagdag ako ng mga gamit para, hindi na kami nag-move. Like, for example, ito. Dalawa yung aking whiteboard. Isa pang whiteboard, meron pa ako doon. Kasi problema ko yan. Pag punta ako dito sa, kulang, kailangan kong burahin, hindi pa naman tapos. So, solve your problem. Okay? Ano yung dapat mo idagdag, ibawas, gawin, i-offer na solution para mawala yung mga personal problems mo, right? So, second, ano pa mga problems na dapat natin sinosolve? Problem of other people. Alam mo, pag nagtagumpay ka sa problema mo, mapayapa na yung buhay mo. I mean, okay ka na. So, though problems are keep coming, you can solve other people's problem, di ba? Alam nyo, pag nag-solve ka ng problema ng ibang tao, that increases your worth, your value as a person. Di ba ganito? Pansinin natin. Pag sa office, di ba, mahal na mahal natin yung taong dami na susolve na problema sa atin. Di ba? So, naalala ko, meron kami office mate, talagang mahal na mahal namin eh. Kasi lahat ng problema namin, susolve niya, computer, ganito, sirang ganito, di ba? Hindi namin maintindihan. So, lahat na susolve niya eh. Dalawa sila eh. Itago natin sila sa pangalang Sir Gary at Sir Ed. Magaling eh, di ba? So, ang taas na value mo sa isang kumpanya pag ang dami mo nasusolve na problem. Okay? So, ano pa? And eventually, masusolve yung problem ng community. And when you solve the problem of the community, eto na yung magkakaroon ka na ng opportunity to solve or to increase your income or to have your business. Di ba? Ba't ba kumita yung Amazon? Na-solve niya yung problema natin that we want to buy from different countries. So, yun na. Punta ka na lang sa Amazon, di ba? Na-solve yung problem natin ng angkas. Kaya mahal natin ang angkas, Lalamove, di ba? Zoom, kumikita ngayon ang Zoom kasi na-solve niya yung problem natin ngayon sa webinar na pwede tayong magsalita sabay-sabay ng maayos, di ba? So, solving your personal problem, other people's problem, community's problem, solving the problem of many people can give you a better life and opportunity para tayo yumaman, di ba? Alam niyo ba't mayaman si Zuckerberg? 5 billion ang nasolve niyang problem para magkita-kita sa Facebook. Alright? So, the more na maraming tao ang nasolusyonan mo yung problema, the more na mas malaking opportunity. Okay? So, these are the skills that you need to master in life. Alright? So, master your high-paying skill, financial skill in terms of earning and managing your money, and third is solving problems. Okay? So, these are the skills na pagtunan natin pasin. Okay? So, Doc, paano ba yan? I can help you. I can be your coach. I can be your mentor. Message ka lang. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat may biyan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo mabagot mula natin buhay. Thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.